Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Enable system transparency in Windows settings so acrylic can render. Open Windows Terminal and go straight to Settings. Use the UI or open the settings. JSON file. Make sure your terminal app is up to date because older builds lack the acrylic option. Once the settings file is open, locate the profile you use, PowerShell, Command Prompt, or WSL, because you'll change transparency per profile. Save changes and prepare to apply the acrylic properties next. Now edit the active profile. Set use acrylic, true so the terminal uses fluent blur, then set acrylic opacity to a value like 0. 5 to get half transparency, 0. 0 is invisible, 1. 0 is opaque. If you prefer the settings UI, toggle use acrylic and move the opacity slider. Also set a background color or image with a subtle alpha to keep text legible. Once done, save the JSON or close settings. The terminal should render acrylic immediately for that profile. Finish by saving and restarting Windows Terminal to ensure settings apply, then test a few opacity values until text remains readable. Make sure you adjusted the correct profile. Changes are per profile, not global. If the acrylic look seems missing, check Windows Transparency Effects is on, then update your graphics drivers and disable conflicting display modes like HDR or high contrast. If problems persist, toggle the terminal's use acrylic setting off and on again, then restart the app to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.